How to remove window crank handle on Volkswagen Polo 6N2 in 3 easy steps. Required tools: trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. 1. Remove the handle cover using a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver. You can find trim removal tool set in the video description below. 2. Move the handle cover aside to have access at the bolt from inside the hole. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. 3. Remove the handle. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.